Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to explore a unique AI-powered platform that solves major challenges in home design and remodeling. Let's head over to Ideal.House, a powerful AI-driven design studio that brings your architectural ideas to life in just a few clicks. On the homepage, Ideal.House introduces itself as an all-in-one AI design solution for homeowners, architects, and designers. You can remodel interiors, redesign exteriors, visualize rooms, create floor plans, or even turn still images into cinematic videos. It allows users to upload their own images or generate brand new ones with advanced AI models. It supports interior remodeling, exterior renovation, furniture try-on, room visualizer, floor plan generator, and many more tools, all accessible from a single dashboard. The platform focuses on creativity, efficiency, and precision, helping you transform your ideas into realistic visuals faster than ever. After signing up, I decided to start by testing the interior remodel tool. Once you head over to the interior remodel page, you just need to upload a photo of the room you want to redesign. I uploaded my test image, and the tool displayed multiple customization options such as room type, style, and elements. Under the Style section, you'll find a wide range of interior design themes inspired by different cultures and aesthetics from around the world. It's easy to pick your desired style from modern minimalist to Scandinavian, rustic, or luxury interiors. Under Room Type, you'll find categories like living room, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom, which helps the AI understand what to remodel. The Elements section allows you to add extra objects that are usually found in homes like lamps, plants, art pieces, or furniture to enrich your design. Then there's the palette option, where you can control the color tone used for redesigning your interior. You can pick custom colors or even upload a reference image to match a specific color scheme. Another great option is looking for something specific. This allows you to type a custom prompt to describe your ideal interior style for more tailored results. For this test, I decided to use only their built-in styling options without any prompts. And here's the output. It looks amazing. One of the coolest features is the before and after slider that lets you compare the original image with the remodeled version. The new design looks fantastic. The lighting, furniture, arrangement, and decor all changed dramatically. The platform generated 3 output variations at once, and each one looked really good. You can download or share them easily, and it even provides edit, remix, and find products options. That find products feature is actually one of the most underrated but powerful ones. When you click it, you're taken to a product listing page that showcases furniture and decor items used in your generated design. You can directly find and purchase those items without searching manually, which is a brilliant idea. Next, I returned to the dashboard and decided to test prompt-based generation. I cleared all my selections, room type, style, and elements, and entered a custom prompt instead. And here's the new result, simply stunning. The level of realism and detail is just outstanding. Then I moved on to test the exterior renovator tool. Similar to before, I uploaded an image of an old house exterior. Here, you get additional controls such as building style, environment, and style reference. Under building style, you'll find architectural styles ranging from American, suburban, minimalist, and modern to European villas and futuristic designs. Under environment, you can set details like time of day, weather, and location. And style reference allows you to upload an example of a design you want to mimic. I ran the first test without using any prompt, and look at the result! It's mind-blowing. The transformation is massive, and the AI has beautifully enhanced the structure and color tone. Then I tested it again with a custom prompt, and the new output was even better, simply fantastic. Next, I tested the furniture try-on tool. This feature has 2 modes, Precise Mode and Creative Mode. In Precise Mode, you can upload an image of your room and manually place furniture exactly where you want. In Creative Mode, the AI automatically redesigns the room using your selected items. I uploaded a photo of a room, clicked Add Furniture, and chose from a list of pre-uploaded furniture examples up to 6 items at once. And here's the result. Look how naturally the furniture blends into the room's lighting and perspective. It feels realistic and balanced, just like a professional interior render. Then I decided to try the AI floor plan generator. On this page, you can customize the floor plan by selecting the number of rooms, bathrooms, kitchen type, and measurement units. In the extra section, you can include spaces like a walk-in closet, laundry, utility room, home office, garage, or balcony. Within seconds, the AI created a beautiful 2D floor plan of my layout. It's perfect for architects or real estate designers who want quick visual plans without manual drawing. Next, I explored the Room Visualizer, one of Ideal.House's most powerful yet underrated tools. After uploading a room image, you'll see options for wall, floor, wall decor, and rug. Under wall, you can choose from hundreds of designs, patterns, and color options. Similarly, the floor, decor, and rug sections give you full creative freedom to customize every element. You can drag, rotate, resize, and move items effortlessly to match your vision. This tool feels like a hidden gem offering total design control in real time. Then I moved on to test the image to video feature. You can upload either a single image or start and end frames to create dynamic panning or cinematic sequences. I uploaded an interior image and added a short prompt to generate a panoramic video. In settings, you can adjust resolution and duration before generating. The result looks great. The AI smoothly rotates the camera to reveal the room in 3D space. There was a minor glitch with a floating lamp, but overall, the output quality was surprisingly good for an AI-based motion render. Next, I wanted to test the Edit feature. From the My Creations page, I selected the 2D floor plan I made earlier, clicked Edit, and chose AI 3D Render. I entered a short prompt and generated the output. The result was incredible. It turned the simple 2D plan into a photorealistic 3D render in seconds. Usually, this process takes hours in traditional software. With this, you can impress clients instantly and close deals much faster. If you visit the AI Tools section, you'll find many more features from landscaping, AI 3D, rendering, photo enhancer, smart replacer, virtual staging, magic editor, house plan generator, room visualizer, furniture changer, object remover, texture replacer, and several new tools coming soon. They even have House GPT, a conversational AI assistant designed specifically for architecture and home design tasks. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to make a dedicated video exploring House GPT in detail. Finally, I explored the community page, where you can see creative outputs from users worldwide. The designs shared there are stunning and inspiring. Seeing others' work truly unlocks more creative possibilities and gives you fresh ideas for your next project. Overall, Ideal.House truly impressed me. It's fast, smart, and built for both professionals and enthusiasts. The free plan gives you 60 credits per day, which is plenty to start experimenting. They also offer Lite, Plus, and Pro plans, starting at just $5.99 per week, which is a great deal for the quality and speed it offers. That's it for today's video. Ideal.House is definitely worth trying if you're into design, architecture, or real estate visualization. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow Sarvesh Astra X for more upcoming AI tool reviews. You'll find the official website link in the description and the pinned comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.